Today I would like to tell you about the tawa salmon fish fry, and the ingredient which we need are number one, and this is the 2 tablespoons of red pepper and a little bit of the food color, orange food color, and 1.5 tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoon of ground cumin seed, and little bit of Ajwoine seeds. There are 2 or 2.5 tablespoon of Ajwoine seed and 1 tablespoon of dried coriander. And the other ingredients are 2 tablespoon of ground garlic paste, and the fish fillet are about they are 7 to 8 fillets, and some oil and lemon juice, 4 tablespoon of lemon juice. First of all, I will wash the fish properly with salt and flour, and then when it is properly washed, it should be clean. I will make the masala for this fried fish, and I will ground the these Ajwoine seed and coriander seed together, and the red pepper. They should not be too much ground, they should be coarse.
Already.
It should be properly ground to make it. Now this masala is ready, and we will mix with rest of the spices like this red pepper, salt and food color. We will mix it together and make a noise. Very good. Now I will put the garlic, 2 tablespoons into this masala, and the lemon juice. They are about 4 tablespoons, and mix it together evenly. Now it's ready to be now use the clean hand and apply on the fish, because with spoon you can't apply properly. Now the next step is you will marinate it for 4 or 5 hours, but now I will fry one of them. Put some little bit olive oil into the griddle pan, and they don't need too much oil, that's why it's very healthy. Now it will take about 5 to 10 minutes.
That's my one.
Very good and healthy fish. You can use it with salads or roti or naan, with chutney and ketchup. Enjoy.